Oh, this is going to be a good one.
Hey, what's happening? We're back. Welcome to another episode of Just a Pinch. I couldn't sound more South African if I tried. Welcome back to another episode.
How's it, guys? Listen, you'll understand the way I'm speaking now.
I'm so excited about today's recipe. I don't know why I've been holding on to this recipe, but it's time. It's cold, we're in winter, it's raining outside. It's one of those meals that's warm and it sort of fills you up and it's so delicious. Today, we are making katsu curry. A little less creepy this time. We're gonna make katsu curry. Now, I'm sure you're probably watching this and going, what the hell is katsu curry? It's a very popular dish here in Britain. Essentially what it is, it's crumbed chicken with a curry sauce. Ugh. It is so delicious. It's a popular Japanese fusion meal. This is my take on it. I'm super excited for you guys to watch this. Let's get into it. Roll the intro. There's a lot of ingredients here. Stick with me. Here's what you're gonna need. It looks complicated, but I promise it's really simple. We're gonna be serving this with some rice and a side portion of salad. Right, let's get cracking on with the sauce.
Did I even hit record? Yeah, thank God.
Decent glow of oil. We've got chopped onions, ginger, and garlic in here. We're gonna sweat these off until they become translucent. It's time to add our spices. Chili powder, extra hot chili powder. If you don't like your curry hot, then just omit this. Don't put this in. 2 teaspoons of turmeric, 1 heaped tablespoon of mild curry powder. Hold your flour back, we're not quite there yet. So mix in your spices. It's important to let your curry spices cook off. So it's been about 2-3 minutes. 1 tablespoon of flour. Mix the flour in. You're creating a roux, just like when we were making a cheese sauce. It's the same concept. Flour is going to be there to thicken up the gravy. It's important to cook out your flour. We're going to add our chicken stock in, little bit by little bit. As you're stirring it in, the stock is coming up to temperature, matching the temperature of the vegetables. And as you can see, it then starts thickening up. Look at that. Instantly starts thickening up. It starts becoming a paste. Really nice gravy texture. Season lightly with salt because you add a chicken stock which usually has salt in it. Nice good pinch of pepper. 1 tablespoon of sugar. Sugar's going to help balance it out. 2 decent glugs of soy sauce. And then pour in your coconut milk little bit by little. And look how nice and thick and creamy that is now becoming. So we're going to let that simmer for about 5 minutes. Let's get started with the chicken. So we got 2 beautiful chicken breast fillets. We are gonna butterfly them. I'm gonna show you how to do that. Cut the breast and you're gonna open them up. So don't cut all the way through. And what you end up with, the chicken breast, it kind of looks like a butterfly or a heart. So I've got 2 pieces of grease-proof paper. Now the fun part. I'm gonna bash these out. I tenderize them. Fuck off. One. Hey, my videos were shit. Your videos are shit. My videos are good. Alright. Now they're nice and thin, they're going to cook evenly. Now it's time to bread them. Watch carefully. Flour, egg, panko breadcrumbs, normal golden breadcrumbs. Season your flour. What's the egg? This is a 2-hand job. Wet hand and then a dry hand. Dip it in the flour, both sides, into egg yolk. Coat it on all sides. Flour and the egg yolk is basically a glue, an adhesive to the breadcrumbs. So next, breadcrumbs. Using your dry hand, coat the other side of the chicken.
Are we filming? Is this thing filming? I never know if this thing's filmed or not.
So if we want to get nice and fancy and technical, this process of flour, egg, and breadcrumb is called a pane. And there we go. They're ready to be cooked, which I'm going to show you how to do next.
Hey, Simon here. If you like this video, well, hit the like button. Even better, hit subscribe. It really does help me. Right, let's get back to the video then, shall we?
Start warming up your pan. That's about 1 cup of sunflower oil. Whilst that's on the go, we're going to get this on the go. The ratio for rice to remember, 1 cup of rice, 2 cups of water. little pinch of salt. Lid on. Bring that to the boil, turn it down, let it simmer, it'll steam, we'll fluff it up, it'll come really nice and sticky. That's the kind of rice that we're looking for. Whilst we're waiting for the rice to boil and for the oil to heat up, I'm just gonna blitz our gravy. You can strain this through a sieve if you like, but personally I like to keep the vegetables in there. Lovely curry gravy. One of the best things to do in weather like this, especially if you're playing a round of golf, when you stop off at the halfway house, you're a little bit soaked to the bones. I'm making this sound like a bloody porno. And you order a pie, chips and curry gravy. There is absolutely nothing better than that. And if you like that, this is pretty much the same thing, but with crumbed chicken and a way better curry sauce than they serve at the Royal Durban. It's time to cook the chicken. Now let these guys cook for roughly about 5 to 6 minutes on each side, and we'll turn them and they'll be nice and golden and crispy. Well, let's have a look at the chicken, shall we? Now don't be an idiot like me and use silicone tongs in burning oil. Yeah, look at that. Nice and golden and crispy. So we're gonna need another 4 minutes or so. All right, these guys are done. It is all popping off now. Rice is ready. We're heating our gravy back up.
Did I even hit record? I'm so nervous.
Okay, love. Michelle. How's it going? Yeah, good. I want to try and be proper chefy. I'm a real chef. Looks good, eh?
Yeah, it does.
If you don't know what I'm doing, I'm packing the rice into a little ramekin and serving it up. Looks super cool. I'll show you in a bit. So there we go. Katsu curry. Breaded chicken breast, lovely spicy curry gravy. Look at that rice, that's what I was talking about. Developed a nice little ramekin mold there. It just looks nice. It's all about the presentation. Leafy green salad. Hierdie ding fucking baie lekker. Ek kan nie dit beloof nie. This is so delicious. Ingikela amabili. Spoken 3 languages. That deserves a share. Go on, enjoy it. I promise you're gonna like this. It's really delicious.
What about sign language?